Alright, so this video I'm trying to have more practice on how to take out and to put back the rear view. I realize I still need a lot of practice, so let's try to make this a fun video. Alright, so to take out the wheel, okay, unhook this, pull this lever out, okay, turn this thing, turn, okay, turn, make it loose. Okay, so let's practice. You can pull the derailleur back. Okay, if you can. Remove the wheel. Okay, so let's put the wheel back. Pull this back. Okay. First, it must come here. Okay, pull this up. Okay, you realize, yeah, once you pull this up, it's quite easy to slide it back in to the dropout. So it should be comfortably secured and drop out here. So that's how you install. Okay, let me try that again. To take out the wheel, pull the derailleur back. Okay, back, out. Put the wheel back, pull the derailleur back. Okay, aim the chain, put in this cord, the first cord. Okay, the first cord. Then once you're done, you try to lift this pulley hanger up. You can see, right? Once like that, it's very easy to let it slide in. Okay, slide into the dropout here. Once it slides in the dropout here, it's secure. Okay, let's try one more time. Take out the wheel, pull the derailleur back. Okay, take out the wheel is generally easier. Out. Okay, put it back in, pull the derailleur back. Okay, slide this lever in between, put the chain in the first cord. Okay, once it's done, lift this trolley up. Okay, slide in, then you realize you can slide the, okay, you lift the pulley up. You're going to go in correctly. Make sure it's secured to the dropout here. Let go. Okay, this should be, make sure that the brake pad is centered. Once you're done, turn it like that. Okay, so you are trying to tighten the, okay, once it's tight enough, you close it. Okay, there's a way to do it correctly. You don't want, when you pull the quick release lever, right, you don't want it to be at the rotor because the rotor can be a bit sharp. So what you do is okay, make sure it should end somewhere here. So the best is when you close the lever, okay, it should be such that not too tight, loosen this a bit. Okay, so I still need to loosen some more, still need to loosen some more. Okay, so it should be such that, still need to loosen some more. Okay, so this is probably a bit loose, so let's make it a bit tighter. Okay, loosen. Alright, yeah, so look at my hands so dirty. Okay, this one should be checked that it is double checked that it's not too loose. Okay, this is probably a bit too loose though, so let me open this up again, turn this over. Okay, you should be using some force, but not excessive force. Use it. Okay, this should be good. So finger tight. Okay, let's turn the bike. Turn the bike back upside up. Okay, let me try to spin. Make sure the chain is correct. The gears is correctly engaged.